Oh, his little trunk's open. Did you see that? His little battery compartment's open.
That's because he just shit himself.
Hey, it's your buddy Ken, and today we're gonna find out which drone blows the most. So today we have a wide selection of drones to test, from the Mavic 3, Mini 2, Phantom 4 Pro 2.0. We've got the Autel Evo Lite Plus and the Mac Daddy Inspire 2.
So we're going to launch the drone.
Yep.
We'll get the leaf blower.
Right.
And the goal is to blow the drone out of the sky and see which one can have the most spectacular crash and burn on the concrete.
No. We're going to get the drones hovering in one spot over a cone, and we're going to see how well they maintain position and height, and see after they're done being blown if they can get back to the same spot in space.
And then we light them on fire.
Right. It says 110 miles an hour on there.
I don't know about that.
Oh yeah, it's like 70 miles an hour, so that's good enough.
Okay.
All right, we're directly over the cone. Now I'm gonna blast it. Ooh. Oh! Wow. I can't blow it off course too much. Comes right back. All right. Put the camera straight down. Let's see how far off of the... Very good, Mavic 3.
Yeah, that's always a good idea.
I'm gonna give it a good oomph. Oomph! Oh man, impressive.
Yeah, that was pretty dadgum impressive, man.
Which one next, Kelly?
Let's do the Autel.
Do the Autel, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, oh no! Oh, what the hell? Oh, goodness. Oh, that's no good. Oh, that's not as good, is it? Sudden gust of wind. It's fighting it, it's fighting it. Oh man. Ooh, confidence level not as high. Let's do the nudge test. Nudge. Nudge. Now let's see if it came back to, close, yeah, pretty close. What do you think, Kelly?
Let's say if the Mavic was a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a 7? Yeah, it really wasn't bad.
It wasn't that bad.
I mean,
it was
shooting a 70-mile-an-hour wind at it.
That's true. I still love this drone. I know all its capabilities. I am confident that it'll do better than the Autel. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at him fighting, look at him fighting, look at him fighting. Oh yeah. You're a champ, buddy, you're a champ. Right in the face. Right in the face. Oh yeah. Love you, man. What's that? Blast Kelly. Nudge test. Nudge. Nudge. Nudge.
He turned on you.
So it really wants to go back. Ah! It's drifting back, back, and it's nowhere near the cone.
The cone blew.
Did the cone?
It blew 2 feet at least.
Oh, okay.
When it started dropping low, the cone started blowing.
Okay, so is that about where it was?
Close,
So
yeah.
it's comparable.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Which one next, Kelly? The biggest or the smallest?
You gotta figure the Inspire is gonna do very well.
You think?
So do we save that for last, or do we go with the Mini 2 last, since in all likelihood that'll be its final flight?
No! Now the question is, should I do it legs down or legs up? It'd probably take more wind.
How do you normally fly it when it's 200 feet in the air?
Legs up.
Yeah, go legs up.
All right. That's so cool every time. God, it's such a big lumbering thing. Oh, it's eating it up. It's eating it.
It likes it.
It loves it. Hey, Mikey. Oh, oh, oh. And it's coming right back. Right in the face. Oh, yeah. You know, the bigger the drone, the more stable. So we won't be doing the Mini. Let's just stop at this one, huh? What do you say? Do I dare even nudge this one? This is certain amputation if it goes wrong. Don't try this at home. This is not a good idea. I'm a professional. I'm a professional nudger. I'm gonna just push it over here, see what it does. It wants to go back, it wants to go back, it desperately wants to go back. Okay. Nudge. This is so scary. Big nudge. Nudge. It helps to nudge and say the word nudge when you do it. Nudge. All right, legs down. We're done with that.
That was a 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.
Super stable in high winds. Oh, Minnie, it's your turn, buddy.
But I don't want to do it, so...
Your big brothers did it.
No, no, no.
What are you, chicken, Minnie?
That's right, I'm a chicken.
Oh, well, that doesn't matter. You got to do it anyway.
I see. Then f*** you.
Ah, f you.
Are you gonna go full 70-mile-an-hour turbo wind speed?
Uh-huh. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. You know what you know what that's like? You know the Powerball drawing where the ping pong balls are in the fan thing? That's what it reminds me of.
No.
All right, I'm not gonna go turbo on it. Just, okay.
Wow.
It's spinning,
It
but
went 360 on you.
but it turns, it does tricks, but it turned back around again. Let me just, I'll go back here. Let me simulate a nice headwind. It's fighting it. It's fighting it.
What the heck?
But it spins back around to the front. That is so weird.
What?
What in the hell? Oh! And look, it's right back again.
That's impressive.
That is impressive.
The
I mean, it's a
only drone
lot.
that can do tricks and still come
Yeah.
back to where it needs to be.
249 grams. Should I even bother doing the nudge test?
Sure.
And I will tell you that it's a little askew. It's a little askew. It's probably the least accurate of all the drones getting backed over the cone, but nudge test. Nudge. Ow!
What the heck? It withstands 70-mile-an-hour wind. He gives it the nudge test, and down it goes. What just happened?
I was a little overzealous with my nudge.
Did you nudge the prop?
Yeah, the prop hit my finger. You still going, buddy? You still okay?
Come on, Ken, I got this.
All right, we'll go. He says he wants to fly again. Oh, his little trunk's open. Did you see that? His little battery compartment's open.
That's because he just shit himself.
It's a rugged little drone, and it's fine.
How can he even fly after that?
It's fine.
Wow. He
The
doesn't
Mini
trust
2 is a rugged little drone. Here's Joshua Bardwell smashing this drone right into a fence.
Is it going to let me get close to the ground?
It may, I don't know.
Or will it let me crash?
Crash it, let's see.
Will it let me fly under this?
Oh, oh my God, dude.
Oh, no, it won't let me.
Oh, well.
It won't let me. It wouldn't let me go any lower.
That was awesome.
We'll never have to do it again. It's
Ever.
kind of terrifying. So which one did the best? I think probably the Mavic 3 did the best.
Oh, I'd go Inspire. That thing was a workhorse. That was a hoss in
Yeah,
the air.
yeah, kind of expected that though. But as far as the smaller drones,
Yeah.
Mavic 3. The Autel, it was kind of scary, although it did hold its own. The Phantom did a good job.
Solid.
The Mini, man,
It was kind of punching out of its weight class, but to do what it did and still hang in there, I was impressed.
for a very light.
Excuse me.
What?
Why is his ass on my face?
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, that's awkward, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, Today we're gonna find out which show blows the most.
Oh, that's great.
I don't think we got it. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
No.
You going full bore on the blower?
Yeah. Of course.
You not worried?
No. Yes. A little bit.
Initializing aircraft attitude.
Okay.
Please take off later.
It's got an attitude. I am confident that it'll do better than the Autel. Hopefully we won't have to replay me saying that after we're picking up the pieces of it.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hold on, I've got to check it on the map. Does anybody check it on the map? Does anybody go, oh, well, she said, so hold on everybody, I've got to check it on the map.